Hey guys, today I'm going to be building a, a Lego kit which is called Lego Boost. This is my first ever robotic Lego kit. As you can see here, this has 1701 pieces. It has 5 builds that you can make. First build is like a robot. Second build is like a cat. This is a guitar. This is a Mars mobile, and this is an auto miner. So you can code this, build it, and play it. So let's get to the building. So guys, I've just unboxed the Lego kit. Inside the Lego kit was a free poster, which is here, here. Then you have a game, which is here, inside this. Then you have this piece, which is, I don't know what this inside is. I think this is a motor. Then you have small packets of Lego where there are pieces for the Lego kit thing. So let's start with the build. So guys, I've completed the first build. So it looks like this. I've clicked this green button when I've gone in the Boost app. I clicked this green button and then this thing came, and on my screen in this app it showed updating firmware. I clicked OK. It's updated its firmware. Now I've set up a code. It will show you the option of coding. You can code also. Once you finish the build, click this green button, firmware it. Now I've made this small code to show an example of the code. Let's do the code. So now I have done the code. Now I will start the truck again. I will start the code again. So let's start the code. So now let's continue this build. So guys, I finished playing a lot with this. So now I'm moving on to the next build. I've completed around half of the build. I'm actually a little bit confused on what I'm building here. It looks something like this. I think it's a robot. So once I progress in this Lego creation, I will keep you updated. Hey guys, so I finished half of the second build and now I'm going to show you what level it has. First is this. So now let me bring this back. Bring this screen back too. And this screen back too. And now let me close the app and show you the app's logo. So the app logo looks like this. And once you click it, you'll have like something like this. It'll take a while to load. But if you finish the robot, or if you decide to finish this, if you decide to finish this, you decide to finish this, or you decide to finish this, you can do any one. Yeah, I chose the robot. Yes. Now let me show you the first one that robot shows. This one. That is the first level. So I'm clicking the green button on the move hub, which is here.
Hello, my name is Vernie. It's nice to meet you. Thank you for activating me. My neck is a bit sore. Will you help me look around?
So now I'll show you what pieces to put. Since I completed this level, I get to keep the pieces wherever I want. So if you adjust this number, that's how slow the head goes. If you adjust the number, that's how slow the head goes for these two head pieces. See that? And now you put this, you put this to 100, you put this. Yeah. So now this here and here. It's
Hello. My name is Vernie. It's nice to meet you. Thank you for activating me. I am fine. Thank you for asking.
and now let me show you another number for the hand.
Hello. My name is Vernie. It's nice to meet you. Thank you for activating me. Goodbye.
So guys, I've completed the second build, which was extremely hard, but I have finished it now. I've made a very small command. I'll show you that now.
That sounds great.
That is the smallest command that you can make. I have one command that I'm going to show you now, which is here. Yes. So it moves when you shake its hand, or make it set an alarm. So once 22 seconds are over, it will do something. So it takes 22 seconds. As you can see, after 22 seconds, it moved once. So that's the end of the second build. I hope you all liked watching this content. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to my channel. Our like goal for today is 10 likes.